Attention creatives in the video and photo space. Are you a guy with big dreams, building your own brand and making a name for yourself in the creative world? Well, listen up, because today we're diving into a game-changing skill that can help you stand out from the crowd. Color grading. Color grading is a superpower that gives your videos that professional edge. It's the art of enhancing and manipulating colors to create a specific mood, tone, or style, elevating your visuals to a whole new level. Trust me, whether you're creating jaw-dropping commercials, epic cinematic masterpieces, or sleek music videos, because we know, especially here in Atlanta, it's all about the music videos. Color grading has the power to transform your content from ordinary to extraordinary. It's like the secret ingredient that captures the attention and leaves a lasting impression on who? Your audience. Just imagine this. Your videos are not only visually stunning, but also have a distinct style that sets you apart from your competition. This is where it comes into that editing style. That's the magic of color grading. It allows you to infuse your work with a personality, making your brand instantly recognizable and unforgettable. Because again, we all want to be unforgettable. I was about to sing, but I'm not going to do that. But here's the best part about color grading. Mastering color grading opens up incredible opportunities for you to build your brand as a creative. It's your ticket to attracting high-profile clients, collaborating with like-minded artists, and establishing yourself as an authority in the industry. Now, picture this. Working on exciting projects that align with your creative vision, building a loyal following of fans who crave your unique style, and being sought after by clients who want your signature touch on their visuals. Make sure you're taking on a client that respects what you do. Color grading is the gateway to building a powerful brand that's pretty much speaks for itself. If you're serious about building a brand as a creative force to be reckoned with, it's time to dive headfirst into mastering color grading. Unlock the full potential of your visuals. Just don't point the camera and shoot, and whatever spits out the camera, that's what you're going to use. There's more videos that I want to make as far as going into like the log footage and different formats that you can actually spit the video out to where you have most manipulative control on the video later on in the color grading process. And that's later on down the line. Right now, I just want you to focus on creating a brand or creating that look that uniquely defines you as a creative. And this goes for photography as well. This does not only apply to video. Let's rise above the rest and build the brand of your dreams. And that's a wrap, my creative friends. You just discovered the power of color grading and how it can help catapult your brand to a new heights. Now, it's time to take action and make it happen. Hit the subscribe button and join me as I drop value to all things photo and video creative. Let's embark on this epic journey together. Until next time, keep those cameras clicking.